Right, subframe about ready to go back in the car. We're gonna use our totally cool trans jack, kind of help support it. The way we gotta go is from the front on back. So these, and then these, and then these, and then those. And these get shimmed, which is always fun.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Right, we've got, threw an extra washer in there just for a little support. We have our subframe going back in to Fiona. This is all a part that was repaired. We'll actually touch this paint up a little bit too once we're done. Damn, Wicky, looking good.
Yeah, sure is.
A lot better than the under the sea motif it had prior.
Yeah.
That's what we should name Fiona.
What?
The Little Mermaid.
Yeah.
Disney reference. I'll probably get sued just for saying under the sea. Oh well. Fuck it. Alright, we got Wick in the car. This is gonna suck. It's gonna get hot.
It's already hot.
Oh, yay.
It's alright though.
He's gonna bolt.
Gotta happen. What the fuck that thing is.
And I'll be tightening from the bottom. Right, subframe is mounted. We got all new hardware, of course. And they're back of the nuts on the flange. They are serrated. And the bolts have serrated washers on them as well. Keep them in, gripped and tight. We have these shimmed properly as it came from the factory. Now we're going to touch up our subframe. Do a bit of paint, do a touch up. And then, oh yeah, those serrated, that dug in. But she's nice now. Subframe in. Little paint touch up. I'm gonna work on the rear suspension.